Never pay for ClickFunnels again. A free ClickFunnels replacement. Yes, it is true. Basically, there's a replacement for a funnel builder, membership site, video hosting, your email, ESP sends, Shopify, your evergreen or live webinar hosting. That stuff's expensive, right? I explain how I saw this and what I did within like a minute of seeing this and how I signed up for it. And I'll also give you my real opinion on it and explain exactly what it is. Also, stay until the end of this video when I explain exactly what this piece of software is and how I bought it and replaced my ClickFunnels with it. And I'm probably going to save about $9,000 a year just on the one piece of software, not to mention all the extra stuff. And I'm also going to give you access to my quick start course and explain how to get access to that, and my private mentoring Facebook group, which I do not open to the public. This is only part of my full BHD plan thing, and I'm going to show you how to get access to it in this video. So let's get started right now. All right, so how is it that you don't have to pay for ClickFunnels again? Well, because there's a piece of software that has come out and it's just about to come out of its beta, and they have way more features than ClickFunnels. And also, you own it. Right now, they have an offer where you buy it, and you get everything they're ever going to have, and you own it for life, and you don't have to make any more payments on it. Sound too good to be true? I'll explain the pros and the cons of it, but I also have stuff in my description and links where you can actually sign up for an account and learn everything you want over there. But I suggest you watch some of this video, and I'll explain the do's and don'ts of it and what I found useful. I've been doing this for 13 years, so I kind of know what I'm talking about. And I've been a ClickFunnels user for a long time. I have a 2 Comma Club award with them, and I like the software. I love the software at ClickFunnels. But this is going to save me. I can't pass up a ton of money. The way I look at it is this. My payment for $297 on ClickFunnels every month is literally a third of the way to a Ford Raptor payment if I want to buy a Ford Raptor, right? So by making this switch, just on this one piece of software, but I have other ones I use that this software is going to replace because this new software has like everything in it. So I could basically get a new truck just for making the switch. I still get everything I need. So that's what I'm talking about. And $297 is a lot of money for everybody to have like the platinum version of ClickFunnels. So this is going to save you a lot of that money. And they're also including a ton of stuff. It's called Groovefunnels. Now you might have seen it listed in your Facebook friends, or you might have seen a commercial. Maybe I'm late to the party, but I signed up like, I don't know, a month ago for this. And I should have done this earlier, but we have 2 weeks left. That's it. September 1st, you can't get this deal anymore. And I think it goes to the monthly plan where the full bird version will be $199 a month. Still cheaper than ClickFunnels. But for that same payment, they have a payment plan even. And then once the payment plan is done for the one time, you don't have to pay anymore. Okay. And the pricing is ridiculously fair on this. So let me just explain to you what they are offering in this package. Okay. So I am going to shoot this thing over here and show you what they have. So Groovefunnels, basically, making software isn't as difficult as it used to be. There's a bunch of companies that made it, including ClickFunnels. And then you take everything that people use and say, how can we improve upon this? And then you go ahead and make it, and it doesn't cost as much to code this stuff out anymore. And so what they're doing is offering a lifetime membership to their balls out, balls to the wall plan, and then to fund their creating it, and they're almost done. And so people bought this 6 months ago at the same price point, and they've been with them as they built it. But this thing is ready to go, and it's on now. But they're adding features, and most of them should be done by the end of September. And so most of them are being added in August as we speak. So I think we have until September 1st. And so let me show you all the stuff that is included. So if you want to do the full membership thing, and here's what they have. If I have my screen on here, so let me get this on here. So you've got Groove Affiliate, where if you have like you want to have an affiliate program going on, you can host it with that. Groovepages, which is the funnel builders. Groove Mail, which is going to replace your email service provider. I think you get up to 25,000 contacts right there. That's probably worth just the price of the payment alone. Groove Member, Groove Videos. You can host your videos there. If you have a membership site, you don't need extra membership software anymore. Email leads, email cart abandons, email buyers, email affiliates. Groove Blog, Groove Desk, Groove Survey, Groove. I don't even know what some of this stuff is but I need the webinar stuff. I need the email marketing, I need the membership site, and this. But just this alone, the page builder saves me that third of my way to another Ford Raptor. Okay, if you're in any kind of this boat, or maybe you have the $99 version, whatever, they have crazy payment plans. And once again, I have links in my description. If you're going to buy this, let me just tell you right now, clear your cookies if you've ever visited anything for Groovefunnels before. If you clicked on one of their ads or you clicked on somebody else's, because if you use my link and I get the credit for it, I'm going to give you access to my quick start course, which shows how I got these awards, this two comma club award over here in the back, and how I use affiliate marketing to be a super affiliate for over 13 years and won an AFI award and the ClickFunnels 2 comma club award for doing 7 figures in a year with the software. I explain everything. It's boiled down in the course. And the kicker is access to my private membership Facebook group, which is basically a small, close-knit group. And I answer questions individually for people when they ask them. Sometimes people don't ask questions. Sometimes they ask a bunch of questions. But it's basically like having me on consultant. And I'll answer your questions. I'll take a look at your landing pages. If you have questions about anything, I'm there in there answering it. So that alone is worth, I'm giving that because I want to show you how to use the software to use it for your best ability. So let me look at this pricing stuff. So here's why it's a no-brainer, right? The no-brainer is because where's the price? Blah, 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 blah. See, this is where it's gonna go to. If you sign up now and you do the full thing, see, you got 18 days, 16 hours as of right now, but you might be watching this on August 31st or something. Basically, you can do a one-time payment of $13.97. You go, I don't have that much money. Okay, first of all, if you do that because you save them most amount of money, and how long does it take that? Let's see, $13.97 divided by $2.97. That is less than 5 months of your ClickFunnels. So basically, by January, you would have been at a break-even point. Is it January or February? You would be at a break-even point, and then every month after that, you're saving $297. Crazy, right? You could do 3 payments of $497. Heck, you could do 6 payments of $288, which is less than the platinum, wherever the big version of ClickFunnels is called now. And you give all these extra features. So your video hosting and your webinar hosting. If you have a webinar jam, that stuff's expensive, man, right? That this is going to replace all that. And so after 6 payments of $288, heck, do 12 payments of $188. All right. It's free after that. So if ClickFunnels offered something like this, and this is Groovefunnels, right? But if ClickFunnels had offered something like this 3 years ago or 2.5, 3 years ago when I first started using their software instead of WordPress, I would have saved, I don't even know, like, was it $19,000 or something by now? What's that? $299. What's it? $297 times, was that 36? I would have saved over $10,000 by now. $10,000 in my pocket profit, right? Whew, that's a good Disney cruise, right? With the family, 2 week or whatever. I don't know, Disney's kind of expensive. Maybe it's only a 5-day on Disney. But on Carnival, that'll get you a 2-week cruise with the whole family. So use my link in the description below. And if you don't want to just sign up for this right away, I did it right away because it was a no-brainer for me. Now, I spend money on all kinds of different software. If you're anything like me and you have a bunch of different software, this is a no-brainer. Just get it, right? The payment plan makes it literally costs less than what you're using now probably. And you'll own it and never have a payment after that payment plan's done. So they're financing you to use your software, which is insane to me. But the cons of this are, because I'm using this software, is that it's in beta and they're adding some of these features, right? So some of these features, these aren't in there yet. They're going to be adding these over the next month or two. But this stuff is all pretty much live now. So some people signed up 6 months ago for this. So go ahead, use the description link. Make sure it's fresh cookies in there. Clear out any Groovefunnel cookies. Go type in Groove, whatever, in your browser, Chrome, whatever. And so if I get credit, then you just hit me up. I have contact info below, and I'll match your name with the purchase that I get credit for, and then I'll send you access to my private Facebook group and to my Quick Start course. Okay, that's a $297 course feature. So I'm giving you all these extras and crazy extras because I don't offer, you can't buy a membership to my private Facebook, like where I'm basically your on-call consultant. because it's part of my full BHD plan, which is like $14.97. So you're more than welcome to purchase that and the software. Awesome. But if you want access to the private Facebook group and one-on-one with me and the Quick Start course, then go ahead and sign up. It's just extra. I'm giving you that for using the link, all right? Because they'll pay me a little bit of money when you sign up for Groovefunnels. And I'm really just recommending it because it makes monetary sense for me. And if it makes sense for me, it probably certainly makes monetary sense for you if you're doing any kind of digital marketing and you build any kind of web page or website. So like I said, so it's just crazy. So, and there's a basic version that's free, right? And I think you can make like 3 funnels and 3 domains. Sign up for that. Use my link, sign up for that. And then once you are able to spend $180 a month and you want to, or $288 or whatever it is, the full-time thing, then sign up for the big one. I think I still get credit and you'll still get the bonuses. But this is for 2 weeks now. So go ahead, use the link, sign up, and it's got crazy stuff to come. We're in this phase. I think right now they have all this stuff up. This is the next phase this fall. It's already almost fall. It's the end of summer. And this ends in like whatever, 18 days or something. They have over 75,000 users again. So like I said, it's a no-brainer. They threw everything in the kitchen sink into it. They have a ton of users already. They've raised a ton of capital to get everything like it needs to be. And when you invest in this and then you get free access, basically, you're going to save a ton of money. You're going to be doing this in a year from now, right? You're going to be doing this 2 years from now. And if you're like me, I've been doing it 13 years. Okay. If I had a free software builder I put 13 years ago, holy moly, just on the software, not even on the rest of the stuff with the webinar jam and all that stuff, or whatever the webinar hosting is. It was just the builder. And I was using the same one for the past 13 years times 12 times 13. I would have saved, I don't even know how much that is. I just did the math wrong. It's a lot of freaking money, dude. If it's $3,000 a year, okay? Whew, 13 times 3. That's a lot of money. That's why this was a no-brainer for me. So go ahead, click the link, comment below, let me know. And if you do purchase it, because when I did an email blast to my group, a ton of people purchased this, right? So, and if you're on my email list, a group, and you're going to pull the trigger now, pull the trigger. I will get all the goodies to you. I had to put all the goodies together and get them all set up. So go ahead, check it out, and I'll talk to you guys later. And thanks for watching the video. And let me know what you think about the software. It makes sense for them because you're funding them to get everything built. And then they'll charge their monthly after that for all the people that join later. And it makes sense for you because you get freaking lifetime access to it. And so maybe explain to me where I went wrong with my math, but for me, 100% made sense. I literally bought it within like seconds of. I saw somebody had it on Facebook. Said I jumped over to Groovefunnels, check it out. I checked it out, and I said, what? And then I signed up, and I'm so happy I did. So do it. All right, later. Bye.